Hey guys, what is up? It's Finnovation. Today I'm going to show you how to make a wraith.
So we found this smelly old burlap in the basement, and it's got a bunch of like holes and stuff in it, and it'd be totally perfect for something we could do with Halloween. So the obvious question is,
what can you do with a stinky old burlap to make something spooky for Halloween just 3 days away?
I'm glad you asked.
Okay, so what you're going to need is some fishing string to hold it up, like hang it from a tree or whatever you're going to hang it from. Some Mod Podge or kind of like a different brand. This stuff's more expensive, but it's not going to be shiny because Mod Podge is going to be a little shiny. Some smelly old burlap, a ball, a bucket, a skull lantern, which we just built. Well, we didn't build it. This is a bike stand that we got. I appreciate that no one's going to have this in their basement, but you can probably make something like this out of wood. Then you're going to hang your lantern there, put your ball right up where you want the head to be, drape your burlap over, cover it in Mod Podge. Once you take it off, it should retain the exact same shape, and it should be awesome. Now I've got the ball duct taped onto where the head should be. We got this torch lit up, and now all we've got to do is drape our burlap over and wait till tomorrow for the Mod Podge to dry. So this is what we have right now. We've got it all covered up with the burlap, but we're going to have to take it all off because we have to cover it in the Mod Podge. So right now I'm going to give it to Finn's dad, and we're going to cover it all in Mod Podge and make a cool time lapse. This is the completed ghost. It looks pretty great. We've got a pin here to keep it together so it looks like he's got the hood. Then we ended up using a lot more burlap than we thought we would. So Finn's dad is an art teacher, so he had this stuff. Not really sure what it is, but it ended up working pretty great. We'll see how it looks tomorrow, but if you are using Mod Podge, you're probably going to need about 5 cans. Bam, it's a new day. This looks awesome. We while we were off camera, we added this little shoelace string, which was just a little old leather shoelace string that we got. And otherwise, like, it dried totally great, so I'm going to take this off. It's so much harder. It's crazy. Looks so cool.
Will it hold its shape, Finn?
Yes. Okay. So where I've decided to hang it is we're going to hang our wraith right here. So when the kids walk up to press the doorbell, it's like right here kind of scaring them. So then all we've got to do is hang it up.
Think about this guy, Finn. He's pretty spooky, huh?
Yeah.
All right, let's see if we can hang him up.
So my lovely assistant, he is hanging it up. We used 2 pieces of cardboard to help it maintain its shape so that it would stay with that like spooky look. And we had to weave the strings through the cardboard to get them to hang up there. And we'll check back once we're done hanging them up. So this is the finished product. What we would recommend using instead of the Mod Podge and the stuff we had in the basement is because they don't sell the stuff we had in the basement anymore. What we'd recommend is using some clear Elmers glue. This you can find literally about almost anywhere.
And Mod Podge, I think you'd probably need, probably 4 or 5 of them at $8 a bottle.
That's expensive. So this stuff, for a whole gallon of it, it's only $20. And for like a tiny thing, it's only $3. So to demonstrate that it worked the same, we built this little thing with the same materials and everything. It holds together literally about the same as the wraith. So we would definitely recommend using the Elmer's glue.
That sure is a great ghost, Finn. It's the sort of ghost that's hard to miss. Speaking of ghosts, that reminds me of a joke.
Oh, no.
What do you call a ghost who gets lost in the... What do you say about a ghost who gets lost in the fog?
I don't know. What?
He is missed.
What?
He is missed.
I don't get it.
You never do, Finn.
I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe.